long time since we did a full glam look. So today, we're going all out with thick, colorful European and American style makeup. I just woke up. Oh wait, my necklace is still twisted. Let me fix that. Also, I changed my earrings a few days ago. Switched to this sparkly diamond style. What do you think? Lately, my lips have been super dry, so let's start with some lip gloss, just a little to prep them before we move on to primer. Oh, we also got a new mirror. Now I can see my face from all angles. Super helpful. Alright, let's dive into the creamy makeup and color placement. Starting with contour, cheekbones, jawline, and don't forget the corners of the forehead. This step is so easy to overlook, and I've definitely gone out before with an unblended line. Oops! A little trick, use a makeup remover pen to clean up any harsh edges, especially around the nose bridge and contour lines. Now for some highlight. Just a touch down the center of the face, patting it in gently. Next, blush. Since we're going bold today, I'll start with a darker shade on the cheekbones, then layer in a bit of a warmer, yellowish tone to blend it out. Setting the base. Time to set everything. I'll use a powder brush to lock in the center of my face, and then a finishing powder for the rest. This will keep everything in place all day. For this look, the brows are going to be darker, more defined, almost with a slightly wild, structured feel. The arch needs to be more forward, and the head of the brows should be a little fuller to give that bold effect. What do you think? They kind of look like little trees now, but I love the drama. Okay, so my eyeshadow palette literally just broke. Great timing. But it's fine. We'll make it work. I'll start by blending a transition shade from the bottom up, then deepen it with a rich brown. Now for the darkest shade, I'll smudge it into the outer corners for extra depth. Liner time. First, I'll use a pencil liner to define the lash base, then go over it with black eyeshadow to soften the edges. Oh, and we can't forget false lashes. First securing the outer corners, then the inner corners for a lifted look. For this style, the lower lash line needs a little extra drama. I'll apply lower lashes and brush on some mascara to give that layered effect. Now, inner corner highlight. I'll use a bright white shade to really open up the eyes. The more intense, the better. Let's finish up. A bit more blush, focused on the apples of the cheeks and cheekbones, highlighting the nose, brow bone, and lips with a champagne shimmer for that extra pop. And finally, lips. I'll blend a little blush shade onto the lip borders, then top it with gloss for a plump effect.
But they said they both say Bitcoin had a light one here, light brown here, we had a mustache.
Should I add a tiny beauty mark? Just for fun, let's do it. Oh, and I'm adding a little extra definition to the brows for balance. They're all done. You. And that's the finished look. What do you guys think? Super bold, super glam. I love it. Let me know in the comments if you try this or if you want to see more looks like this. See you next time.